my husband's the one that was supporting me. And then this happened and separating.
If I could help judge what she was
No,
explaining.
I mean, here's the thing. I understand you want to do that, but she is on the witness stand. I'm receiving testimony from her. So, I mean, that's what's happening right now. I'm receiving testimony. So she's going to have to speak up. This is her case. She's on bond. She's on probation. Her husband's not on probation. She is supposed to be making payments, have employment. Guess what? Sometimes relationships end, and you're supposed to be prepared for relationships to end so that you can get your bills in line. So you've been on probation since 2016, and they're saying that you're not paying fees, and you have all these children that you have to support, and you can't support them because you don't have a job. You've got to get employment.
Yes, sir.
And if you don't get employment, you know what's going to end up happening? A motion to revoke is going to be filed. And people need to stop. When you have children, people need to stop this thing with, I have so much pride, I'm going to be making jewelry. Okay, you're going to make jewelry? Fine. That's your dream. That's fine. But you need to be able to support your children from making jewelry. And you can't live off your children's child support. And this probation, if you all want me to continue it, it's getting extended for 2 years. That's what probation is recommending. You're going to get a job. If you don't get a job, a motion to revoke is going to be filed. Knock your pride aside. Go work at McDonald's, Whataburger, whatever. I see signs everywhere. You will be able to get a job if you want a job. And the number of children that you're telling me, and it's school time coming up, they'll be in school. So you can get a job. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Now, what is this issue with you and your drug testing?
Mhm. I forgot to go. I just didn't go. I forgot to go.
All right. This whole thing about you forgetting, that's going to stop.
Yes,
You're
Your
looking at 20 years in the prison. Do you understand?
Honor. Yes, Your Honor.
Is there anything you don't understand that I'm telling you?
No, I understand.
All right. And probation, is there anything else she needs?
No, Judge.
All right. Is there anything else you need from the court?
No, Your Honor.
All right. So this is what the court is going to do. I'll deny the motion. Alter and amend conditions. And she's going to be extended for 2 years. You're going to get employment. If you want to make jewelry, you can make jewelry. That's what's called side jobs. That's what's called extra income. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
And I'm going to want full-time employment. And for me, that's 40 hours a week. So if you want to get 2 part-time jobs, you get 2 part-time jobs, but you need to do at least 40 hours a week. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor. I understand.
So that's going to be within 30 days of release. Probation, is there any concerns about drug use with her?
Judge, not at this time. She submitted negative UAs for quite some time before she failed to submit.
All right, so we'll continue with regular random UAs.
Thank you.
All right, anything else you need from the court to be successful?
Judge, I would like to add, we would like to get a time frame at least for her to start that BIP class since she has been on probation since 2016.
All right, the BIP class will be started within 7 days of release from custody. Anything else?
Maybe the Texas Workforce Commission job counseling.
All right, and the Texas Workforce Commission job counseling.
Thank you, Judge.
How far did you go in school?
Just an 8th.
8th grade?
Yes.
So it's going to be 150 hours community service restitution. I'm going to waive 100 of those hours because I'm going to require her to do parenting classes. And then the remaining 50 hours will be waived if you obtain your GED or you're in some sort of trade school. I always think that community service hours, sure, I can have you on the side of the street picking up trash, but I like to do community service hours where you give back to the community by bettering yourself. So the parenting class is going to help you with your children. The trade school or GED is going to help you better yourself. And by bettering yourself and your situation, you're helping the community. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right.
Judge, is the GED a condition or are you not making it a condition?
I'm not making it a condition. She's either going to do that or she's going to do the community service hours.
Okay.
Yes.
The 7 days to pay, she's gonna have to pay for the bit course to get in within 7 days. Your Honor, can we have a little extra time for her to get the,
No.
okay,
All right. Anything else?
nothing further, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right. Anything else you need from the court?
No, Your Honor.
All right. You're excused. Norma, what page is she on?
Hold on, wait.
Thank you, counsel.
There you go. Judge, thank you so much. Appreciate you.
You're welcome. Let me find you. How are you doing this morning?
Doing well. How are you?
I'm doing okay.
Page 9.
All right. Thank you.
Oh, we have to write down. And I need her, you know.
If I may, Judge.
Yes.
A supplemental report was submitted to the court last week or the week before last,
Mhm.
given an overall status of the case. He was granted probation in 2016 for 6 years, and he's been extended for a total of 2 years. The things that are outstanding are, well, he was mandated to complete 200 community service hours.
Mhm.
He's completed all but 37 of those community service hours. And we believe he still owes a balance of $3,664. None of that is restitution, Judge. He's explained to me that he's been having financial issues over the last couple of years with his health being one and maintaining employment.
Mhm.
And then he's been working off and on. So he is set to expire on 9/11. At this point, Judge, I don't know that he will have the means to pay off his fees. I'm just not quite sure it's gonna even be possible, Judge. He reports on time, doesn't have any problems with reporting or any other compliance issues. All of his UAs have been negative. There hasn't been anything like
So
that.
then the issue with you is the community service hours. So if you do not want to be extended, you need to get those community service hours done. You understand?
Okay.
So whether you're extended or not depends 100% upon you. Community service hours, focus on that, get those done.
Okay.
Are you going to be able to get those done?
Yeah, I could do it.
All right, work out a plan. How many are you going to do a week? Or either if you're going to take off, see if you can do 8 a day. Just knock it out and you'll be done. Don't save it till the last. Don't procrastinate. And I can say that because we attorneys, we tend to procrastinate. So just say, when do I expire? And if you want to do two community service hours a day, then just do it. Knock it out. You understand?
Yes,
All right. Is there anything else we can help you with?
the pay, the fees,
Listen to me
Yes, ma'am.
clearly. Concentrate on your community service hours. What did I just say?
gotcha. Concentrate on my community service.
Come up with a plan, get your community service hours done.
Yes,
Hear me clearly, if you do not get those community service hours done, you're going to end up being extended. If you don't want to be extended, get the community service hours done. Do you hear me?
Gotcha.
All right. Thank you.
That it?
Yes, that's it. Thank you for dressing appropriately.
Yes, ma'am. Can I say something?
Yes, sure.
I'm a fan, by the way.
Do you have an email address?
You made my day.
Watched you this morning.
Oh,
Thank you. Oh,
that's